Yo everybody, it's Lee Henkin. So video today is going to be about kind of a common major mistake I see many newbies make when it comes to lead generation. When I say newbies, pretty much mean just anyone who's like not really experienced at lead gen. Not necessarily someone who's just started like a lead gen agency or something like that. I'm pretty much talking about you could be an account manager at a company and you've got to do some lead gen. You get the picture. Basically just newbies to lead gen. Big kind of common mistake I notice is that all too often is that they like to just try and regurgitate scripts and templates they found online. This is a pretty big mistake because it's easy to do this because people who aren't experienced or know much about lead gen, they just see these claims people make online and they think, oh yeah, I'm just gonna chuck up some fucking scripts and templates, change a couple words, and voila, you're gonna have this pipeline overflowing with opportunity. Pretty much never happens, and if it does happen, it's only ever going to be short term, that I can promise. So basically, what is the solution? So instead of regurgitating scripts and templates you find online, copying what everyone else is doing, you really need to get your own, or customize and create your own scripts and templates that are customized to your offer and your target market. So that is pretty much the key, because the thing with all these scripts and templates that you can find online is basically that if one person starts to regurgitate them, I can guarantee you 1,000 people are going to very quickly. This happens all the time, and this is why they don't work, because the market ends up getting bombarded by the same scripts and templates. They all look and sound the same. There's nothing unique about them. That's why they never work, basically. So what I would say, instead of kind of thinking, oh yeah, I'm just going to get some script or template online, change a few words around, and then just fucking blast it out, I can tell you it's probably not going to work, and if it does, it'll only be very short-term fix. The actual real solution, so you can actually become skilled at lead generation and actually get higher quality leads consistently over the long term, is to understand foundations and fundamentals of lead gen. So targeting the right people at the right time with the right offer. You got to understand how to create offers. How to target the right people, understanding that the ICP you're going after, their pain points, their challenges, creating a product or service that is optimized and aligned with those pain points and challenges. And then when you have those kind of fundamentals in place and rock solid, then you can create scripts and templates that are going to be much more unique and are really going to resonate. It's really important, resonate with the prospects you reach out to. Because if you just grab some fucking script that's been used 1,000 times online, or template, changed a couple words around, I can guarantee you there's going to be nothing unique about that, and prospects are going to smell the bullshit pretty quickly. So what you want to do is make sure you focus on fundamentals first and foremost. So good targeting, understanding your target market, what they really want, what their frustrations are, challenges, and making sure your offering is aligned with that kind of needs and desires that already exist in the market. That is how you're going to create scripts and templates that actually resonate, stand out in the inbox, and that no one else is using. There's actually a big reason why I rarely share scripts. especially from like current client campaigns, because I just know people are going to fucking destroy it, and then it will obviously ruin the results my client gets. So yeah, I have shared scripts before in the past. I mean, I do, but I don't do it very often, and that's actually the main reason why, because I know people will be brainless about it and just fucking, yeah, regurgitate everything with really no thought behind it or logic. So that's pretty much it. So hopefully that'll help some of you, especially if you're new to lead gen, you want to start learning lead gen, getting good at it. Yeah, don't copy and paste scripts and templates online, you find. Actually focus on those fundamentals I mentioned and use that as the basis to create your own unique scripts and templates with your own kind of spin on it and angles, because that's what's going to work long term, and it's going to stand out and resonate with the market. That's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, if you're on YouTube, subscribe, show your support, appreciate that. Like the video if you're on social media, like the video. If you've got any questions, drop comments wherever you're watching this, and I'll get back to you. See you on the next vid.